Today, I am going to identify the directional terms and planes of a human body in an anatomical position. Here with me is a Barbie doll that would act as a human body in an anatomical position. Let us first discuss the directional terms. Superior and inferior. Superior means towards the head or the upper part of the body, while inferior means towards the lower part of the body. Anterior and posterior. Anterior means towards the front part of the body, while posterior means towards the back part of the body. So anterior, posterior. Ventral and dorsal. Anterior and posterior can also be referred to as ventral and dorsal. Ventral for the anterior, while dorsal for the posterior. But ventral and dorsal are most commonly used for the lower forms. Now, let us imagine a line in the middle part of the body. The structure away or further from the line is called lateral. So, lateral. Here. Lateral. While the structure towards the middle part of the body is called median. Central is slightly similar to median, but it is the most specific structure in the middle part of the body. The term peripheral is the part nearest to the surface of the body. An example for this is the fascia, where fascia separates the skin from the muscles. Take note that proximal and distal are used to refer the joints of the extremities like the arms and legs. So, proximal is the structure closer to the point of attachment or the body mass, while distal is a structure further from the point of attachment or the body mass. So, this is the body mass, the point of attachment. For example, shoulder joints are proximal to elbow joints, while wrist joints are distal to elbow joints. Superficial or ectal means on or near the surface. For example, you are going to cut the skin through dissection, and the muscles that are directly exposed are examples of superficial muscles. Now, when you slice the superficial muscles, you will expose the deep muscles or ectal muscles. Deep or ectal means below or beneath the surface. Now, let us move on to the planes of the body. Median. Median is a vertical plane running longitudinally from superior to inferior, dividing the body into two identical left and right halves. So the left and the right. Sagittal. Just like the median plane, sagittal plane is also a vertical plane running longitudinally, but the difference is that it exposes uneven sides. So there could be a cut here or here, as long as it exposes uneven or unequal sides. Horizontal or frontal plane is a longitudinal section through the body at right angle to the median that divides the body into front and back, or anterior and posterior. Transverse or cross plane is a plane that cuts across the body into superior and inferior. So we have discussed 14 directional terms and 4 planes. For the directional terms, we have superior, inferior, anterior, posterior, ventral, dorsal, lateral, median, central, peripheral, proximal, distal, superficial or ectal, and deep or ental. For planes, we have median, sagittal, horizontal or frontal, and transverse or cross.